Are you tired of manually entering every transaction into Odoo? Connect your bank account in under 2 minutes with this step-by-step guide. First, we'll open Accounting and locate the Bank section. Then we'll select Chase, Verify, and finish through the bank's login. First, go ahead and navigate to your Odoo homepage. Then, from the main dashboard, click on Accounting to open the Accounting module. Once you're in Accounting, scroll down and locate the Bank section. From the list of banks, pick the one you want to add. For this example, we'll go with Chase. Now, click on Connect next to the bank you've chosen. If it asks for your phone number, you can type it in. Or you can simply skip that and continue without a phone number. Tick the checkbox to confirm you're not a robot. Then click Continue to log in. Log into your bank account and follow the on-screen prompts. Happy banking! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.